Hello everyone, today I would like to explain to you how to solve one example of math count question. And the question for today is what integer is closest to the value of the expression? So to solve this problem, first of all, suppose the value of 3 plus square root of 12 equal A. And also, I write the quartic root of 1728 equals B. So now we have the other term of this expression. We can write as root of A plus B plus root of A minus B over 4. And then I can write it as root of A plus B plus root of A minus B square and then power 2. Okay, in here we multiply first root of A plus B plus root of A minus B square. So we have the result is A plus B and then plus A minus B plus 2 times root of A plus B times root A minus B. And then we can simplify this part for B and minus B. So we have 2A and then plus 2. We can multiply the square root here. A plus B times A minus B. So it will be root of A squared minus B squared. And then I put power 2 here. And then we calculate there the value of 2A plus 2 times root of A squared minus B squared power 2. So in here, we can write 2A plus 2 root of A squared minus B squared, and then multiply with 2A plus 2 root of A squared minus B squared. Okay, so the result is 4A squared, and then plus 4 times A squared minus B squared, and then plus 8A root of A squared minus B squared. And then we can write as 8A squared minus 4B squared and plus 8A root of A squared minus B squared. Okay, so in here, we must calculate what is the value of 8 multiplied with A squared, yeah? Okay, so I will evaluate in here. We have A squared. So it is equal with 8. And we know the value of A in the beginning is 3 plus root of 12 squared. So the result will be 8 times 3 plus root of 12 times 3 plus root of 12. So here we have 8 multiplied with 9 plus 12 plus 6 root of 12. So we have 8 multiplied with 21 plus 6 root of 12. And then in here, we can multiply again, yeah, by 8. So it will be 168 plus 48 root of 12. Okay, and then we want to evaluate what is the value of 4b squared. I will evaluate here. The value of b is equal root of 4, 1728 square. So it will be 4 times root of 1728, yeah. And then I can write 4 multiplied with 144 times 12. So here 4, the root of 144 is 12. So here root of 12. So the result is 48 root of 12. Okay, and last we want to calculate what is the value of 8a multiplied with root of a square minus b square. So here we have 8 multiplied with 3 plus root of 12, and then multiply with root of the value of a square by looking this part, yeah. We have 21 plus 6 root of 12, and then minus the value of b square, this part. We have 12 root of 12. Okay, so it will be 8 times 3 plus root of 12 multiply with square root of 21 minus 6 root of 12. Okay, so in here, to solve this part, yeah, specifically, we must remember the formula. If we have the square root of a plus b, and then minus 2 root of a times b will be equal with root of a minus root of b, where the value of a must be greater than b. Okay, so by looking this term, we must change the value in the front of square root into 2, yeah. So here I can write root of 21 minus 2 times 3 root of 12. And then it is equal root of 21 minus 2. And if we move 3 here in the square root, so in here we have 3 square. So here we have 9 times 12. So it will be root of 21 minus 2 root of 108. Okay, so in here we must find two numbers that the sum result is 21 and the multiplication result is 180. So we must find what is the value of a and b when a plus b equal 21 and a times b equal 108. In here, the value of a must be greater than b. So here we find the value of a equal 12 and the value of b equal 9. So we can write here is root of 12 minus root of 9. So the result is root of 12 minus 3. And then we can continue our calculation here. Yeah, we have 8 multiply with 3 plus root of 12, and then multiply again with root of 12 minus 3. Okay, so in here we have 8, and then we have 12 minus 9, yeah. So it will be 8 multiply with 3, I think, yeah. So in here we have 24. Okay, so our final result, when we substitute all value in this part, yeah, we have 8a squared. Our value is this. I can write here, yeah, 168, and then plus 48 root of 12, and then minus the value of 4b squared. This part we can write here. And then the last is plus 8a times root of a squared minus b squared. And the result is 24, yeah. So we can write here 24, and we can simplify this part. So our final solution is 192.